Do you know what I see all the time as a car professional? Costly tire repairs or replacements that could have been avoided. That's why today I'm sharing 7 common tire mistakes most people make. If you're doing any of these, it's time to stop, for the sake of your wallet. Let's kick things off with mistake number 1, skipping tire rotations. Here's the deal. Your front tires wear differently than your rear ones. It's just basic physics. If you're not rotating them every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, you're throwing money away. Yes, you heard me, throwing money away. I can't tell you how many times I've seen front tires completely bald while the rear ones still look brand new. People think they're saving money by skipping rotations, but they end up needing 2 new tires instead of getting another 15,000 miles out of all 4. Regular tire rotations ensure even wear across all 4 tires. It's like rotating your mattress, but way more important. And every car has its own recommended rotation pattern, so check your owner's manual for specifics. Trust me, you will save money in the long run. Here's another costly mistake: ignoring tire age. Most people don't realize that tires have a shelf life, whether they're on your car or sitting in storage. Over time, the rubber compounds break down, reducing performance and increasing the risk of a blowout. When buying new tires or checking the ones on your car, always look for the DOT code on the sidewall. The last 4 digits indicate the week and year the tire was manufactured. For example, if it says 0820, it was made in the 8th week of 2020. If your tires are over 6 years old, it's time to seriously consider replacing them, even if the tread looks fine. And if they're over 10 years old, don't even think about it. Replace them immediately. Most tire blowouts happen because of age-related issues. Don't take the risk. It's not worth it. All right, here's mistake number 3, and trust me, it's a lifesaver. Not having a portable tire inflator or air compressor. If you don't have one of these, you're putting yourself at unnecessary risk. Picture this. You're miles away from the nearest gas station, and suddenly your tire pressure drops. Without a portable inflator, you're stuck waiting for roadside assistance or driving on a dangerously underinflated tire, which can damage the tire and the rim. With a portable tire inflator, you can quickly add air and get back on the road safely. Plus, most modern inflators are compact, easy to use, and even come with built-in pressure gauges, so you can maintain the ideal tire pressure anytime, anywhere. Next, mistake number 4. Ignoring wheel alignment. Listen, your car is not a shopping cart. It shouldn't pull to one side. If it does, you've got an alignment issue, and it's not something you can just ignore. When your wheels are out of alignment, your tires don't wear evenly. This leads to premature tire wear, reduced handling, and poor fuel efficiency. Plus, it's dangerous. You lose stability and control, especially at higher speeds. To fix this, get a professional wheel alignment check regularly, or whenever you notice signs like your car pulling to one side, uneven tire wear, or a crooked steering wheel when driving straight. Proper alignment ensures all 4 wheels are working together as they should. It improves your ride comfort, extends the life of your tires, and keeps your car running safely and efficiently. Mistake number 5, ignoring tire pressure. Did you know your tires lose about 1 psi every month? And that's if you're lucky. Driving with underinflated tires not only reduces your gas mileage, but also wears your tires unevenly. Worse, it increases the risk of a blowout, a situation no one wants to deal with. Most cars need tire pressure between 28 and 36 psi. To be sure, check your owner's manual or this handy sticker inside your driver's door. It tells you the ideal pressure for your car. All right, mistake number 6, overloading your vehicle. This one often gets overlooked, but trust me, it's serious business. Every tire has a maximum load rating, and exceeding that is dangerous. Overloading your car leads to overheating, a higher risk of blowouts, and poor handling. Not exactly what you want on a road trip. To avoid this, check your owner's manual for your vehicle's weight limits. Pay close attention to your tire's load index, which you'll find on the tire sidewall. And don't forget, your total load includes passengers, cargo, and even trailers you're towing. Mistake number 7, choosing the wrong tire speed rating. Yep, that little letter at the end of the size code on your tire sidewall It's way more important than you think. This letter tells you the maximum speed the tire can safely handle. But here's the kicker. It's not just about top speed. It's also about heat resistance and handling. Mind-blowing, right? Your car was designed with a specific speed rating in mind, and it's there for a reason. Always check your owner's manual for the recommended rating. Here's the deal. Stick to that recommended rating or go one step higher if you want extra durability, but never ever go lower.